Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to connect Opera GX PC to a phone. So guys, this process that I'm gonna show you will work on any version of Opera. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to the three lines on the top right corner of the screen and go to the settings of your Opera browser. So from here, scroll down and go to full settings browser. And then from here, guys, just use the search icon and go for my flow. And from here, guys, make sure to enable this feature. And from here on the left side of the screen, you will see here this my flow icon. Just click on it, guys. And then from here, you will be able to scan your QR code in order for you to connect your phone to this Opera. So guys, so when you go to your device and you open up your Opera, just go to your settings and under My Flow, you will be able to see connect a computer button into your device. And then from there, just simply scan the QR. And then from there, you'll be able to connect your Opera GX PC to phone. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.